there. Today, I'm diving into a fascinating topic, stem cell therapy. You might have heard it called regenerative medicine, but the big question is, can stem cells cure everything? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about the good news. Stem cell therapy has shown incredible promise in treating a variety of medical conditions. For instance, it's already effective in treating blood-related disorders like leukemia, lymphoma, and sickle cell anemia through stem cell transplants, also known as bone marrow transplants. But that's not all. Stem cells are also making strides in helping with skin and corneal disorders. Imagine better wound healing, quicker recovery from burns, and even corneal regeneration for those with vision problems. Orthopedic and musculoskeletal conditions like osteoarthritis, tendinitis, and ligament injuries are also on the list. Researchers are exploring how stem cells can aid in repairing and regenerating damaged tissues. And then, there's the exciting potential for neurological disorders. Early research suggests stem cells may offer hope for conditions like Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis, and spinal cord injuries. Now, let's touch on investigational and experimental uses. Stem cells are being studied for cardiovascular diseases like heart failure and coronary artery disease. The idea is that they could help repair and regenerate heart tissue. Autoimmune diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, and type 1 diabetes are also under investigation. Researchers hope stem cells can modulate the immune system and offer relief. And how about regenerating entire organs? Scientists are exploring this for kidneys, liver, and pancreas. Exciting, right? But let's be realistic. There are limitations and concerns. Some clinics make unproven claims about the effectiveness of stem cell therapy. Always be cautious and consult with a healthcare professional. Safety risks are another consideration. Stem cell transplants can carry risks such as graft versus host disease or tumor formation. And don't forget regulatory uncertainty. Regulations vary globally, and some treatments may not be FDA approved. Here at MedTravelers, we offer the least invasive and effective stem cell therapy for various disorders. Our specialized team of doctors is here to support you on your journey to better health. For more information, visit our website at www.medtravelers.com or call us at +91 8802 29988. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health insights.